Hola mis amores, how are we doing? Okay, so today's look we're going to be doing a purple smoky cut crease eye. I did this look the other day, this purple eye, and you guys were like, oh my god, can we see a tutorial on this? And I was like, duh. I'm so sorry that I have not posted a video in about a week. I've been so wrapped up with my makeup seminar. It's literally not this upcoming Sunday, the following Sunday, so it's in less than 2 weeks, and I have seriously been so stressed out about it. I'm gonna take my Morphe Brushes X James Charles palette. So I'm gonna start by packing on this light color purple onto my lid here, and I'm gonna pack that on first. So packing it first, and then we will blend later. But yeah, you guys, I have been so stressed out, you have no idea. My skin has definitely been feeling it. My skin has been all over the place. I mean, right now it looks good because I seriously did like a crazy mask last night. I did like 4 masks last night. It was crazy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the darkest purple in that palette, and I'm also going to put that in my crease. I'm going to pack that on like so. And you want to make sure you're just giving that a nice transition, packing it right under that light purple that we just did. I'm going to take the Morphe M415 brush with that light purple shade, and now I'm going to start blending this out right here. And just continue to blend these shadows. I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty concealer to cut the crease. I used the shade Whipped Cream, which is a very light shade, and I like to use this concealer to cut my crease because it's really light, it's super pigmented, and pretty much whatever shadow I'm going to pack on top of this concealer shows through. So I'm just going to start by cutting the crease. I'm going to be applying this light pink shade. It's the lightest pink shade in the palette, and I'm going to pack that on top of the concealer. I'm going to take a little bit of that purple, that dark purple shade that we were using, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease. Now what I'm going to do is take that purple, that dark purple, and just put some right on the outer, right here. And kind of just blend that in, and lightly dusting it where it kind of like ombres into the eye. So I pretty much put my lashes on already. I'm going to go ahead and take my Beauty Blender foundation. I'm using the shade 325 right now because I'm a little more tan than normal. And I'm just going to start blending this out with my Beauty Blender. My concealer. Contour using my Huda Beauty Tantour in Light, and I'm going to start right there. I'm gonna set my eyes. I'm gonna remove all of the setting powder. I'm gonna take my all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay and just set everything. I'm just taking blue eyeshadow and kind of blending out the black eyeliner on the bottom to kind of smoke it out a little bit. I'm gonna take my Reezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter and highlight the high cheekbones. And this is pretty much the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you love this look. I hope to see you create it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my future tutorials, and I love you guys so much. Bye.